So we're going to do another example here on finding the area of a trapezoid, excuse me. So this shape here has a base 1 of 18 centimeters, the other base 2 of 10, and it's given us a height of 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to think about converting this trapezoid into a parallelogram by simply doubling it, right? Creating a perfect match and then flipping it. So I'm going to end up having my trapezoid of a base of 10 up here, same size base exactly as this. Not quite look perfect, but you get the idea. Down here will be a base of 18, and then we'll go ahead and connect to the side. The height is still going to end up being 6. 6. So this shape, right, this trapezoid, we've doubled it and flipped it, and now we have created this parallelogram here. And so to find the area of the parallelogram, we know that we're going to do base times height. Well, our base has become bigger than just 10 and bigger than just 18. It's both of them together as we've created this parallelogram. So 10 plus 18 gets us 28. And then we want to, essentially, we can either multiply it by the height and then cut it in half, or we can cut it in half and then multiply it by the height. And so in this case, I'm just going to cut it in half first. So half of 28 gets us 14 because it's smaller to work with is simply why I'm choosing to go that route. And then we're going to multiply that by our height, which is 6. So 14 times 6, well, we get 60, 10 times 6, and 24. So 60, 70, 84. So the area of the trapezoid here is 84. If we wanted to find the area of the whole parallelogram, we simply would not chop it in half, right? We would get the area of the whole thing by just simply multiplying 28 by 6. That would get you the parallelogram, but we just want this portion here, this initial trapezoid. So that's why we chop it in half. And do remember, it's centimeters squared because you've multiplied 2 dimensions together, a base and a height.